Hello, we're going to talk about ReadWorks now and accessing that from home. So, as you can see, we have a class code for ReadWorks. It's in our passwords. So I'm going to copy that, okay? I'm going to go back up here to the top. Then I'm going to go to my links for home. And I'm going to click on ReadWorks. Now remember what I said, when it opens up in here, you go to this little button here, the box with the arrow coming out of it, and you click that. Okay? So, from here, what you're going to do is go to Students Login. Okay? And you're going to enter your class code and hit Continue. And then if you see, each of you have your name here. So let's pick James. And his password is going to be the same thing he uses to log into the computers. Just like you do. It's your name and 1, 2, 3. Hit Continue. Okay, as of right now, James has no assignments, so there's nothing here. Okay, but you can also see submitted assignments, which obviously he doesn't have. Or you can go to your library. Let's go. And you can choose different topics that you want to read about. So say James wants to read about sports and hobbies. Then you can choose your library theme. And then you can say, let's go. Okay? And it comes up with different articles you guys can actually read. So if I don't have anything assigned, you can always read articles. So, for example, say James doesn't have the time to read it right now, but he saw this one and it really interests him. He can flag it, and that puts it on his reading list so that he knows that that was something that he was interested in. Okay? Your reading log shows all the passages you've read. Okay? And this up here, the speaker puts speakers.
Library passages you've read.
So that it can read it for you. Okay? So let's just go back here. And let's click on Popular.
Popular.
Okay. So, let's see. Okay. Watch out for ticks. Maybe that's something I want to read about. So, it gives me the option here. It gives me some pictures to talk about ticks. Then, it gives me the reading. Then, it tells you, what did you find most interesting in this passage? And you would answer that. Okay? Another awesome thing, again, is it will read it to you.
Watch Out for Ticks by ReadWorks. Ticks are tiny bugs that live in woods and fields. They can be hard to see. Ticks can bite people. Some tick bites can make people sick. How can you stay safe from ticks? Have a grown-up spray your skin with child-safe bug spray. Wear long sleeves and pants in woods or fields. Tuck your pant bottoms into your socks. Check all over your body for ticks. Have a grown-up you trust help you. If you find a tick on you, let a grown-up take it off. Wash the spot well with soap and water.
Okay, so then maybe I would say, I found the steps to removing ticks interesting. And then I would hit I'm done. And then home. There you go. So that is how to use and sign into ReadWorks at home.